Hello everyone. My name is Kiran Kumar Sonati. I hope everyone are doing great. So in this presentation, I would like to present what I have done in the assignment two. So for the assignment two, why I have read the articles which are provided by our professor, and I have gained a lot of knowledge on the edge computing and the operating systems. So in this presentation, I would like to tell you that I have done a literature review on the edge computing and operating systems and provided a conceptual framework by integrating these concepts. Moreover, I have also provided the what I have done in this presentation. So let's get into the first slide. So in this first slide, I have provided the optimizing IoT systems, which is a framework for effective integrating of edge computing and operating system. So let's get into the next slide. So in the next slide, I will provide an introduction about that IoT is revolutionizing the way we live and the work. So in the past years, when we are in childhood or 20 years back, the usage of IoT is very less, and the usage of IoT in our daily lives was not more, but compared to that, now it's very we are using very much, and it's involving in everyday life as it's IoT playing a major role in everywhere, like even in the street lights and even in the street cameras, it's actually playing a major role in making our lives easy. So, however, the sheer volume of data generated by IoT devices possesses the challenges for edge computing and operating systems. This presenting provides a framework for optimizing IoT systems through effective integration of this technology. So with the increase of the huge amount of volume as usage of the IoT device has been increased, so it became a challenge to manage this large amount of data. So this is what I have presented here, and in this presentation I have provided a framework for optimizing IoT systems through effective integration of these technologies. This is what I have provided in this slide. Let's get into the next slide. In the third slide, I have included about the IoT and edge computing. So edge is where IoT devices generate and process the data. So edge computing is a distributed computing model, as you all know that brings computation and data storage closer to the devices, generating and using the data. So the generated data, if it is stored in the edges, so it will make the process easy and faster. This allows for the faster and more efficient processing of large volume of data. Next slide, operating systems for IoT. So in this slide, I am going to explain about the operating system for IoT. So IoT devices require specialized operating systems that are lightweight, low power, and capable of running on resource constraints. These are the specialized operating systems which are required for IoT devices. So consider an example. Those are FreeRTOS, Jepper, and RIoT. These operating systems provide the foundation for building secure and scalable IoT solutions. So in the next slide, I have provided the challenges of IoT integration. So integrating IoT devices with edge computing and operating system poses several challenges, which are majorly the security, scalability, and interoperability. As making the IoT device integration, they will be facing a lot of the security issues concerning of the attacking attack of the external internal or external bugs on scalability and interoperability. These challenges must be addressed to ensure that IoT systems can operate effectively and securely in connected world. Let's get in the next slide. This is the framework for IoT To optimize IoT system, a framework is needed that addresses the challenges integration. This framework includes architecture, security, data management, and the analytics. By addressing this area, IoT system can be optimized for maximum efficient and effectiveness. So, as we all know, the challenges which are facing by integrating the IoT are like security, scalability, and interoperability. So, by maintaining a proper framework, which will be provide solutions, which is having the framework which includes the architecture, security, data management, and analytics. So, let's get into the next slide. So by this, I would like to conclude that IoT systems which optimizing requires effective integration of edge computing and operating systems. By addressing these challenges of the integration and implementing a framework for optimization, IoT system can operate effectively and securely in connected world. Yeah. So by this, I would like to conclude that this is the presentation I would like to present to you. And thank you very much for providing this opportunity. Thank you.